Unveiling Earth's hidden treasures, the world's rarest plants. From rainforests to dry deserts, our planet houses a myriad of unique plant species. Some, however, stand on the brink of extinction. Meet the Middlemist Red, a captivating bloom native to China. With only 2 known in existence, its vibrant petals are a sight to behold. Next is the jade vine, a surreal turquoise flower found in the Philippines. Threatened by deforestation, its ethereal beauty hangs precariously in the balance. The ghost orchid also makes our list, thriving in the humid climes of Florida and Cuba. Its elusive nature makes it a coveted sight among botanical enthusiasts. The corpse flower, infamous for its foul smell, is another rarity. Found in Sumatra's rainforests, it's one of the world's largest and rarest flowering structures. Our journey ends with the woolly pine, a living fossil from Australia. Resilient and enchanting, it symbolizes the enduring beauty of the world's rarest plants.